Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Mirage. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.2-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.